Goes over past extra. Another one of those exquisite boundaries from Sarfaraz.
Powerfully struck. Yeah, touch the Caribbeans, as you say.
Goes again, beats mid off. Trev Malik runs around.
That's the time, beats mid off, that's the first thing. Right, round he comes, seems to have it under control. Don't think they've been practicing their football enough.
Last 6 deliveries that Sarfaraz has faced, he's hit 5 boundaries. Goes again, this time in the air, over extra, this time a maximum.
And Sarfaraz here has timed this beautifully. Got the elevation on it, got the distance on it.
Take full control of them. And where was Wahab's presence of mind? Change the angle. It's not working for you and for your side. Once again, was hit for a boundary.
Goes again, this time straight to the man. Malik takes the card. End of a fantastic innings from Sarfaraz.
He's done the job. Sarfaraz left the side from front. Yes, there is a wicket for Wahab in the column, but
yeah, so Malik much better with his hands than with his feet, but a brilliant innings from Sarfaraz Ahmed.